something that won't let me forget the way that you move. You tattooed me with your lips. I wore you like perfume. We were like no other.
Okay guys, it's your girl, Domestic Gangsta. It is about 2:44 in the afternoon here. Today has already been a busy day, so I went to physio, did a lifting test, worked out, then I got a massage done by my physiotherapist. Then he suggested that we do cupping on my back. I don't know if you guys have ever done cupping or if you've ever heard of it, but essentially they take these like plastic little like cups and they can either put fire on them or they like screw them and make the suction harder so that it pulls like blood flow to the place and you get like a bruise. And it's, I don't know what I was saying in that other clip, but it essentially leaves a bruise and pulls the blood to the surface to help like blood flow and muscles and nerves and everything like that or whatever. So he did that on me, and he put 4 cups on my back. So I have 4 bruises. So I will show you guys that probably here, picture of that here. And I might even put that as the front of this video. So also what's going on is that there is a snowstorm that was predicted to happen here today in the part of Nova Scotia, Canada, where I live, Halifax to be exact. I know in the States like Chicago, Pennsylvania, because I have a friend from Pennsylvania. So I think that all those places have gotten snow, because I've seen places like Chicago and stuff on the news were getting snow, I think, and Baltimore. And then my friend on Facebook, I'm pretty sure he mentioned something about like stay safe or something to like everybody in his area. So I think they have snow too. And I just want to say also prayers for Philly. I know Philly was hit really hard recently with some hard times, and I just want to offer my prayers to everyone. Anybody who was injured, anybody who was hurt, anybody who has lost loved ones, and just things like that. So I'm a little under the weather today too, so if I sound a little different, I probably am nasally and congestedly and so on. So yeah, a family member of mine does. I just have cold, congestion. Anyway, so now they decided to make it. It was already online learning, but I've been going into the office every day. But they decided that because of the snowstorm, we didn't have to go in today. So I'm going to be working from home. And yeah. I should pan and show you guys the snow. They're too strong and will give me a headache, but I will say though, I am sick, so maybe it's giving off a little bit more scent than I can actually smell, but for the most part I can't smell anything. But I still like that because I'm going to keep it burning. Plus, like yesterday, the power went out. Luckily, it was still like bright outside, so I didn't have to like use any candles or anything. But because this candle's not giving off any scent, I think if the power goes out again, this will be the one I'll probably use. Just since it's not giving out any scent. And since it is a incense Palo Santo candle. Sorry, I realized I never got back with you guys, but I just wanted to say, all's well that ends well, and so on. Power was only off for about an hour and 30 minutes and came back on, even though they said it was expected to come back on at 11 o'clock. And now, right now, it is 8:45. I hope all you guys are safe out there. I know there's been lots of snowstorms, as I mentioned, in Chicago and Baltimore, and there's been lots of things happening in Philadelphia and Pennsylvania as well. So take care no matter where you're from or where you're at. And this is Domestic Gangsta. Stay tuned for more lifestyle videos, product reviews, and videos on spirituality. I'm not Patti LaBelle, but you should hit that bell. Did you do it yet? Did you do it? Did you do it? All right, guys. Bye.